Description: a nourishing shampoo created with skincare cleansers. As far away from a sulfate as possible. Aromatherapy of cranberry and pear. Benefits: enhance, protect, restore and repair the hair's natural moisture balance while providing vibrant shine. Suggested use: wet hair, apply desired amount, lather, rinse and follow with daily conditioner. Pure clean water infused with aloe. Naturally based, green chemistry, moisturize, enhance, protect, restore and repair the hair. We infuse the purest water with concentrated organic aloe vera powder. This powerful combination creates the #1 ingredient in Loma products. Aloemoist Complex is made of pure organic plant extracts, oils, vitamins and minerals and offers a simple and clean approach to healthy hair and a sustainable environment. Clean ingredients, natural fragrances. Paraben, sodium chloride, gluten, and soy-free. Sulfate-free cleansing. Loma therapy consists of essential oil-based fragrances, natural aroma ingredients, aromatic botanical extracts. Vegan-friendly. Never tested on animals and vegan-friendly, we utilize a small amount of beeswax in our fiber putty and forming paste, which we obtain in a way that does not harm the bees. All of our other products are totally vegan, using no animal byproducts. Top reviews from the United States. Best shampoo, conditioner for color-treated hair. Loma Organics are some of my favorite hair products and this is my favorite combo they have to offer.